Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We are at Dollywood and we're going to go on Wild Eagle. It's a flying coaster here. It's right up the back, kind of in the middle of the park, but it takes you up on top of the hill. Got a little bit of that music playing in the background, but we'll bring you on board full point of view. We'll see where we get to see. We'll try to get in the front for you if we can, and we'll see you on the ride. Okay, Becky. Go. Just get past the gate so we can do that part. There we go. Okay. I'm in it. I am in it. Front row gates are closing. Boy, they move these trains through fast. Can't put your hands up on this one. You got these overhand head restraints. Trying not to sit on my sunnies. No, I'm good. Everything's secure. Shoes are secure. And we're going to be flying here, Becky. We're going to be flying. Well, they've got some beautiful homes way up in the distance. I don't know if you can see them all the way up there, but yeah, that's a nice view there in the Smokies. All right. Here we go, everybody. Up, up and away. Wild Eagle. Oh, mercy. It does. It does. You got the hills over here to the right. And she is a mover and a shaker. They got all kinds of open air here. Okay. Oh man, we're going, this is a drop here. Get ready. Wow, was that it? Man, wow, that's a quick little breaker on there. I wasn't sure if it was over. Wow, it's quick, but it doesn't beat you up. It really kind of just flows nicely. And this outer seat, you really, on those bank turns, you really feel like you're just out in the breeze. But how about that first drop though, huh? That was a good one. All right, everybody. My eyes are fine. The glasses help keep the breeze out of it. And I think we just exit up here to the left. Had a great ride. I think you can get out. There we go, up and out. All right. All right, coming off the Wild Eagle, I gotta say, it was a wild ride. I had a great time on there. Nice flying coaster. I think there are 4 in the United States. We've ridden 3 of them. We've been on Gatekeeper, And what was the
X-Flight
Great America?
Yeah.
So really, this one is very smooth. It's just a little bit short, I think. I was expecting a little bit more at the end, but all in all, that outside seat that I was in, it really pushes you through the breeze. You really feel like you're flying and just out here, and the landscape here really makes a difference in the rides, especially when the temperature's dropping a little bit. We're still in early spring, and really you get into the Smoky Mountains here, up and down, and the pressure changes, and it just kind of adds to the flavor of the ride. So
yeah, it definitely does.
What'd you think?
It was great. It had great speed. I liked sitting in the front, all that like hang time, ear time.
Yeah.
But yeah, great ride. I liked the brake run on this, not like a really jerky. It was nice and smooth, and so A+ on that.
It's like a little launch. Like they slow you down, they give you like a little launch at the end, I guess for timing purposes, but they load the rides really fast here. So far, so good at Dollywood. Stay tuned with us. We'll have food reviews and ride reviews and park review and all that out soon. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.